In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Steam games in windowed or full screen. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to load properly. Once I'm in, I'm heading straight to the library tab so I can see all of my installed and owned games. This is where I can control settings for each individual game. So I'm just scrolling through the list on the left hand side until I find the game I want to adjust. Now that I've found the game, I'm right clicking it from the left menu. That opens a small options menu, and from here I'm selecting properties. Once I click that, Steam brings up a new window where all the game specific settings are stored. I'm just waiting for it to load fully before making any changes. At this point I'm inside the properties window and I'm making sure I'm on the general tab. This is where Steam usually places launch related settings, so I'm looking down until I find the launch options section. This is the important part because this is where we can control how the game starts. Now I'm clicking into the launch options box and I'm typing either dash windowed or dash full screen depending on how I want the game to open. If I want the game in a window, I use windowed mode, and if I want it to take up the full screen, I use full screen mode. I'm just making sure I type it correctly because this command controls how the game launches every time. Once that's done, I'm closing the properties window to save the setting. There's no extra save button here, so just closing it applies the change automatically. After that, I'm launching the game like normal from the library. So just to go through it while I'm doing it, I open Steam, click the library tab, right click the game from the left hand list, select properties, go into the general tab, find the launch options section and type either dash windowed or dash full screen. Then I close the window and start the game. And that's really all there is to it. Once this is set, the game will always launch in the mode you chose, so you don't need to change it every time. If you ever want to switch back, you can just come to the same launch options box and replace the command with the other one.